Want to make money online with minimal upfront costs? The print-on-demand business model lets you create and sell custom products without worrying about inventory or shipping. In this video, I'll show you how to build passive income with print-on-demand on Etsy. First, choose a niche. It could be anything: funny t-shirts, custom mugs, unique art prints. Something you're passionate about and has strong demand with low competition. The goal is to offer something unique or personalized. Next, create your designs. You don't need to be a professional designer. Tools like Canva are great, but AI image generation tools like Leonardo AI or Midjourney can also help you create stunning designs quickly and easily. These tools can give your shop a unique edge, helping you stand out in a crowded market. Once your designs are ready, find a reliable print-on-demand supplier like Printful or Printify. These companies handle everything from printing to shipping, so once you make a sale, they take care of the rest. No inventory required. Now, set up your Etsy shop. Make sure your listings are eye-catching, with clear photos and strong keywords. Your product descriptions should highlight what makes your design special and why people need them. Be sure to price your products to cover costs and make a profit. Promotion is key to driving traffic to your store. Use social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest to showcase your designs and attract buyers. Regularly post about your new products and any behind-the-scenes content to keep your audience engaged. Finally, be responsive to customer inquiries and deliver excellent service. Positive reviews and repeat customers will help build your brand and keep your shop thriving.
And that's it. With the right niche, great designs, and consistent promotion, you can turn your Etsy shop into a profitable business. Like and subscribe for more tips on making money online.